are here at Epcot and the Creation Shop has opened. Let's go check it out. Definitely very much different layout than Mouse Gear. Pretty huge, and we've already got some of the new merchandise up here up front. The new Epcot windbreaker shirt. This is all new merchandise that just debuted with the shop. Colorful leggings. You got Spaceship Earth. Then you got the Spaceship Earth hat. It's pretty cool. Very colorful in here. Just a completely different look for this place. Lots of new merchandise. So if you like Epcot, there's a whole bunch of Epcot merch now. These are very bright. Plenty of Figment. It's hard to see because these displays are so bright. Very much an open layout in here. I mean, we're walking around the perimeter right now. I feel like it's laid out very similar to World of Disney. Like the wood on the ceiling there, that's pretty cool. There's a giant Mickey mural over here. We got a bunch of different Mickeys above the fitting room. Most of the registers are over here.
They're not a name brand.
Oh, really?
So here's the jacket. Yeah, that's an XXXL. They do have all the sizes though. Very cool. This shirt is really cool looking. I really like that. You got mugs, bottles. Ornament. Pants. This is just okay. For that Instagram life, I guess. Kid shirt. One of the checkout areas. A lot of the candy and stuff. Gotta get those kids to buy that candy. And over here they have all the pass holder merchandise for food and wine, including the Turvises and stuff like that. So I wonder if this is where they'll keep pass holder merchandise. Looks like you got toys and plushes over here. The princess dresses. Lots of toys and kids stuff over here. Fashion. Different tie-dyed stuff. So like I said, there's some stuff that is exclusive to this just for Epcot, and they got a nice food and wine display over here. I don't know if the backlighting on the display is really helps with being able to see. Oh, there's a Her Universe Epcot food and wine shirt. I'm assuming over here, this is going to be probably the seasonal area because they have the Halloween stuff up here right now. So this might be where they keep seasonal merchandise. As we work our way around the store and do a nice loop. And you had your housewares over here. Blankets, kitchen, mugs, home stuff. So I don't know if it's got as much stuff as Mouse Gear has, but all the remodels on the shops lately have not. No 50th merchandise in here right now, which I find interesting. But there you go, there's Creations, the brand new main gift shop here at EPCOT. Be sure to subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe out there, and we'll see you in the parks.